Welcome back to the Best Deals and Bundles Reviews channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the 1x1 high fidelity belt drive turntable. Thank you 1x1 for giving us this product to evaluate. That being said, this video is sponsored by 1x1. Now when you get it out of the box, make sure you have all of your parts. The first thing you're going to do is, you see these little clips right here. You're going to take your lid and you'll see these grooves. So you're going to actually slide those little prongs right into the grooves on the lid, and you should feel it snap into place. It's a little tricky to get it lined up, but there we go. Now it's on. You can see it'll close and open. Works nicely, looks good. So let's see what's next. Now you want to take your metal plate. If you look at the bottom, you'll see the belt is actually attached to it. And then there's this hole here with the ribbon. You're going to want to make sure you line that up to the gear. So take this hole, pop it over the peg in the middle. Again, keep the ribbon over near where that little belt drive gear was. And then you'll just remove this ribbon, which is through the belt, which makes it easy to feed onto the belt drive. If I can get it, there we go. Pull the ribbon out, and now it's on that little thing. We'll peel this tape off because there's no need to keep the tape on. And there's that. What you need to do now is rotate it slowly by hand. They want you to do this 10 times. The purpose of this is to make sure that the belt in here stays on where it's supposed to be, and that you can get a nice smooth motion as you rotate it. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and move on to the next step. Now they want you to take your power adapter, plug the one end into the back of your turntable, take the other end and plug it into the wall. This is going to take me a second, sorry. Okay, now if you hold this button, it goes into standby mode, and then you'll see you have your volume lever and then your speed lever, so you can go between 45s and 33s, and if you tap the button, it'll turn on. And then if you turn your speed, you should see it speed up. So everything's working as expected, so you can turn it off now, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now you can add your counterweight to the back of your arm, and you just really adjust this to make sure that your arm is perfectly balanced. You can push it on further, turn it, whatever you need to do. Now remove the tape from the head, and then you can pull the protective cover straight off. Make sure you pull straight so you do not mess up your needle. Now take your cover and put it on your turntable. This will help protect your records. Now put your record in place, select the proper speed for your album, release your arm, turn the unit on. Remember, hold it to put it to standby. You'll want to hit it again to actually start playing. Set your arm in place, and it will start playing. It does have a built-in speaker, so you can adjust the volume. I wish you could actually hear the audio, but you cannot due to copyright laws. So you'll just have to take my word for it. It does sound really great, and I do really recommend this product. If you would like to purchase one of these turntables for yourself, you can do that through the product link in the video description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since it is an affiliate link. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment or two, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel.